What's going on, guys? Today we have a problem. I have an exhaust leak in my headers. There's a couple ways you can fix that. You can take it to a muffler shop, get it welded. You could try welding it yourself. In my instance, I'm going to try to fix it with wrap. Now this is specifically made for exhaust leaks. Quick, easy fixes. I'm gonna go try it out. Okay guys, so now we're under my car. As you can see, there's the oil pan, there's the header, there's the end of the headers going to tailpipe. Right here where all four pipes join into one, I've been scraping the ground. If you can see that, there's a crack, and you can see how the tubes have been flattened. Me scraping the ground. I'm a little low with some cheap suspension, so it's kind of bumpy. And that's the leak. That's where the exhaust leak is at. I'm going to try to wrap it, see if I can get it to quiet down and have no leak. Let's try that. Okay guys, I finished wrapping it around. It was a little difficult to wrap my hands around and take the adhesive off at the same time. I ended up using the whole thing just to be safe, since I will be scraping. I will continue to scrape, so hopefully this helps. Okay, so the key is to get your engine up to normal temperatures. Let the adhesive warm up, let the exhaust warm up. Once it all warms up, it'll stick after you turn it off. Turn the car off and then use something to push it on top. After about 5 minutes with the car on at operating temperatures, some of the plastic that I didn't take off for the outside started peeling off, which is a good thing because it lets you know, hey, it's warm enough. So all I have right now is a sock, dirty sock. I'm just gonna push the black wrap onto the header and hopefully it just sticks. Just gonna hold on to it for a minute. Yep, it's sticking. Yeah, some of the plastic is still on there. It's not a bad thing. Some of the heat is being transferred into my fingers. It's so hot. It's sticking though. And that's all there is to it. Basically wrap it around when it's kind of cold, warm it up, and then go back under and hold on to it for a couple seconds till the glue's on. Because I noticed that it has too much pressure when it's on, so it's not going to stick. That's all there is to it for a quieter ride. No need to pay somebody $20 to basically just weld a piece of metal onto it. This cost me $4. It's professional grade too. It's good stuff. I think it's called Tiger Patch. Sold in local auto parts stores. Got mine at AutoZone. I mean, I would just let this cure for about another 20 minutes, just letting it cool down on its own. Hopefully it doesn't unglue itself. Alright, car's on. All you can really hear is the engine. Birds. that worked perfectly. Pretty simple job in less than 10 minutes.